ki Khubor ka Bate CTV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Puli Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Ka MLA jeng NPP na sutengah saipung ke kong Santa Mary Shylla ha ka sautrik naitung ala jar phosau. Klur makan Leit Khublei markmat dala DUMP jeng Voice of the People Party uba mikmat ya ke Shillong seat Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon. Lada ke Jilla Meghalaya ke yok Pisa shu sa arspa kandai Klur na ke bentaban maramot penbaha ya ke Surokba National Highway 6. Haga jingkran bakla patai kubor ke kong Santa kletho baka sarkar Jilla kladep yok pediangnya ke Pisa ke bakot arspa poin prapoi Klur bal ada dang yok shushu sa arspa kandai Klur keban kot hadu sauspa kandai Klur kandalong shisha ke jingker kuya ke Jilla Meghalaya kin ke jingkan tho jo kong Santa kalong halo ke kai pot bala pau hakla patai kubor baka sarkar pedeng kla penna ban mang Pisa arspa kandai Klur na ke benta ban shina penbaha ya ke Surokba National Highway 6 hading ke jinglet ya ke do jong Dr. Singkon ya Union Minister ubakmi ya ke Road Transport and Highways Unitin Gadkari.
The sanction amount which was sanctioned already in 2023 in the month of October around 200.81 crores in which the government has allotted the work to 2 contractors, and then the work is still going on and still in the process, and they have commenced the work also in the month of March, which is a 10-year time of 1 year they have given them. So the work is still going on, and since the 200.81 crore has been sanctioned, we are so happy to the government of Meghalaya. We thank them. It's been such a for the people in East Janta Hills, especially from Ratachara, they have been suffering and they have been agitating from days to days. We have seen it in the media also. But the government has taken up so much of this work for a very long time. This pending work has been very long time. So now they have got the sanction of 200.81 crore. We are so thankful to the government of India, the Ministry of Road and Transport. And also that we are hoping that we will get more and more sanction from the government of India. There is an if he gets a copy also, it's not going to be sanctioned overnight. That is what we are saying. It cannot be sanctioned overnight. You give a DPR and you'll get sanctioned. Impossible. It's not possible. We pursue, we are legislator, we go and give, of course, the officers are supposed to represent all those. We as a legislator, we just go and remind them, follow up. That is our work. And of course, we try to bring development in the state. That is our work. I would say that we are happy that the Honorable MP of Shillong has taken the initiative, and in which he said that he has got a sanction of 290 crores. So since the state government has already received 200.81 crores, as being said earlier, so it will be very good for us that if we get another additional amount of 290 crores, which will be 490 crores. So it will be very, we are more than happy. I myself will go and meet him myself and I'll congratulate him for getting that amount. So that's all. Thank you. Yes, I have spoken to the PD of NHI last time, and then they were saying that there will be a permanent solution later on, not now, that they will make a full tunnel of maybe quite long, maybe 2 kilometers or 1 kilometer as such, because that hill up there, you have seen it, it keeps on falling as soon as the monsoon comes, and that will hamper our people, and it will create more and more issues later on. So that was the thing that I got from the NHA. They are planning, because the 4-laning they are still on the job, and the survey is going on. So we hope that by this year that the 4-lane should come by end of this year. Yeah, I feel like this is leading the people to in the brainwashing the people is not wise to say. We as a legislator, we just need to bring development to our state with the good mind and good heart of our people. And also, not that we'll say that we got this amount when the government had worked so hard all these years to get sanction of this much amount, and somebody will take the credit that it's not good. CM also had follow up on 24th of June. He personally went to meet the Honorable Minister, and then he has got what he has. I mean, the minister had all told him that what he's supposed to know. So, but then to take the credit, that we had got the sanction of 290 crores, I think that is not wise on the party. We have been monitoring the NHI, the state government, and the contractor also. We have been pressurizing them. We have been telling them on and on about the quality of the work. So we assure that the contractor will do very good work. And since the project they have received, not like before they get 5 crore, 10 crore, 20 crore. Now it's 200 crore just for repair work. I feel that they should do a very good work. Here we have to prepare the DPR. It will take a long time. We have to go to the site, see the sites, measure everything. That's what is done as procedure. And then DPR goes to the state government. State government checks all the paperwork, then it goes to the agency again, they'll check again, it comes back to the government, and then it goes to, it's a very long process. I cannot explain the whole thing here, but it's a very process. It takes a long time to sanction any kind of, especially it's not a small amount. It's 200.81 crores. And now to claim like that, I feel it's really bad. Really bad. There is no such thing that we can get an overnight work in anywhere. I'll tell you, whether it's a DPR or could be any kind of sanction or small sanction also. Sanction, yes. He's telling about the already sanction, which is 200.81 crore. So now the additional amount that the Honorable MP is saying, I don't know which additional amount he's talking about. So that's why I'm also a little bit confused. But the real fact is that 200.81 crore is been sanctioned in the month of October 2023. And the remaining is still on process. DPR has been prepared, and now we are waiting for the sanction.
How much is the remaining?
That is 89.90 crores. And as you cannot get an overnight sanction. It anywhere is impossible. I think only God can do, or that's all only. The repair work was going on only since since 2022-23, and but since I think the NHI had got a few sanction amount during that time, around maybe 20-25 crores. I'm not very sure about the amount, but something they have received during that time, small amount. So the government had pursued it when the repair work was going on only. I think it took them maybe around 6 to 7 months, or I'm not sure about the timing. Okay, this 200 crores must have taken maybe 6-7 months for the government to get the sanction, and that also with much pressure. The High Court also is to be given the credit. That is why the work has been fast. Yeah, speed up the work. That's why the repair work they got the sanction of something to 20 something crore, and that also was sanctioned, and this 200 crore also was sanctioned. This also was the intervene of the High Court was also there. So side by side, the state government and the High Court. So that's why we got the sanction.